What's up, guys? Um, I happen to be here in this beautiful location and just look at this sunset. Perfect time to fly. I have Ruby 11.7. Unfortunately, there is a bug. I can't see any of the OSD, so I'm gonna have to rely on telemetry to get my voltage. But yeah, I'm gonna hit record now and let's see how it flies. The light is really dramatic. I don't know if you can see it, but the camera on the drone unfortunately can't pick it up. I desaturated it a little bit, maybe that's why. Let's maybe fly acro. Let's do a nice low pass. Thing is, I don't know how far I am because there's no OSD. I'm flying pretty quickly because I'm flying with the wind. I'm 460 meters based on the Radio Master box there. $700 meters from home, and I'm not gonna fly any higher because the clouds, but just look at this view. It's beautiful. Okay, I'm a kilometer away now. Yeah, the worst thing is I don't have the home arrow. So it's maybe just I could try return to home maybe. Let's see if that works. So that's what I see. It's 1 kilometer from me. I don't know if it's getting closer or not, but let's just fly manual or acro mode for a bit. Okay, I can see myself now. Let's just maybe turn around a bit and see behind us. Beautiful. There's a lake there, you can just about see. But yeah, maybe next time I'll fly to it. Okay, let's come back maybe. The video is pretty solid, there's no breakups at all. The bitrate is down to 6 megabits. And my hands are freezing. Okay, I'm not very good at slow flying, as you can see. Let's see loiter mode. That's a little bit better. Okay, let's land it. the loiter mode flies really well on ArduPilot. Yeah, just look at this. No inputs from me. And where is it? Oh, and by the way, thanks to Paddy and Black Fox for helping me set up the drone with ArduPilot. It's much better in terms of like the way it works with sensors and everything. I had some bad luck with iNav, and Betaflight just didn't have the features that I needed. But yeah, look at this, you know, it's like a tripod. Okay, I'm at 3.1 volts, but yeah, it can still fly a bit. Yeah, it works really well. All right, that's it for this flight. Sorry, I'm so cold. I can't speak. And yeah, hopefully, yeah, I'll show you next time the OSD subtitles, how it works, because that's a new interesting feature in Ruby 11.7. But yeah, that's it for today. Thanks and see you next time.